Well, hey, it's Mr. Malte, and we are going to do some Easter pixel art. And this is pixel art in a Google Sheet. Google Sheets are normally where you do lots of numbers and formulas and stuff. Hopefully you do that too this year, but we're going to get into one and we're going to do some pixel art. So teachers should have put this into Classroom and you can have this open. So hopefully you're at the same spot as me. You got this sheet open and you're looking at it like, what is this? Well, I'm not saying that, but maybe you are. So first of all, it's zoomed in, so we can't see all of it. We have to go to where the zoom is here, and let's set it to 50%. Boom! And there's the bunny. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we're doing here. So the way this works is if you scroll down a little bit, anytime you enter these numbers into these boxes, so I'm going to do 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. It uses conditional formatting, and it sets it to these colors down here. And you can just, select it, backspace, and do all kinds of stuff. So maybe just get used to the fact that you can highlight multiple cells, the fact that you can put a number into a cell, that you can, if you drag this little thing, you can actually do whole big patches, just copying, basically. You could also Control C copy, and then just Control V paste, Control V paste, Control V paste. So there's a few different ways you can do it. So just practice that up a little bit. Get used to it. Then we're going to start drawing this bunny. So I'll start with the bottom. So pause the video, practice a little bit, just changing the colors in there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 across. Okay, so I'm going with the number 9. 9. Tab off. And then I'm just going to drag this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let go. Awesome. And again, I could also, because I have a box selected, Control C, Control V. Oh, whoops. Ha! That does not, I don't hold the row selected. Control C on one box, Control V. And basically, just to get used to this, if you could just try drawing the bunny. This one got some ears. It's like 6 high. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Control V. Control V. And just practice dragging these down. Control V and drag is how I'm doing this. It's kind of fun. Whoops. Get out of here. Do. That little paste thing is getting in the way, but that's okay. Boop. Nice. Control V is my friend here. You can even select 2 cells and Control V. That works too. Awesome. Now the gray is 10. I'm going to type 10 in that box and press Tab. And I'll do some copying again. Boom. Whoopsies. Control C, Control V, then drag. Or I could just type 10. 10. 10. That works too. But I am a big fan of copying and pasting. You can even copy just certain sections like this. Boop. Drag it down. I don't think I put my eyes quite in the same spot. No, I didn't. Aha. Alrighty. Kind of fun, right? Boom. And backspace just in a cell gets rid of any color you have. Boom. Control V, of course, paste. Whoa, that was black. Control C, Control V. There's some bunnies. Go ahead, try that out. You could even do a second one, or actually watch this. This is great. You need to know this. If I actually highlight this whole thing and Control C, then go here, Control V, boom, I could copy a second bunny. I did it a little bit lower down. There we go. Still a bit low. Boom. Ha! And then I could change this 10 to be like 23 instead. And I could color that to be different. So that's fun. Now, down at the bottom, we have some other tabs. I've got another picture, bunny in a basket. That one's pretty easy. Or you could do, it's a me. There's a Mario. There, you can try one of those ones. Try doing a Mario picture. I even put just a fun, smaller one. If you're having trouble with any of those first ones, you can go to this fourth tab and try a creeper instead. I've got the exact colors, all the colors of the creeper here. I changed this one so it's specific to that one. I changed the Mario so it's specific to Mario colors over here too. So these first ones are all, you'll only find these ones in Mario. Like his boots and his hair and his suspenders and all that fun stuff. So there you go. Have some fun. I'd love to see what you create. This one looks like it has an 80s headband on. That's kind of cool. So then you can custom do them. You could even duplicate any of these and make your own custom art. That'd be really fun too. So have fun with your pixel art.